Look at that for a sunset. Stinky.
Pretty fun.
So that's Harry's house down there.
Hey?
Harry's house across the water.
Yes. Yeah.
Got past Jerry's Point. We're just heading out over onto this sandbar. Where are we heading to, TB?
Well, we'll go towards Red Bull Key. We're not going that far.
Red Bull Key?
Red Hall.
Red Hall. I'm just getting his maths out.
Crystal. I've got
It's like an episode of Breaking Bad.
Yeah, I've got a striker which you can use like if you want, if you're into that ting. That's my homemade pot stand for the cup.
What's that made out of?
It's a spaghetti tin
Nice.
with little bolts on as a rest like that.
Sweet, man.
That's just for like the old solo drinks. Yeah, so it's all good. Drop that.
Do you need a light up?
No, I've got loads. I've got lighter in there, lighter in here. Oh shit,
Plenty of fun.
Straight on.
Nice, man. Couscous.
Yeah.
Middle class camping.
Gonna be some fucking wet couscous.
And I've gone for my MSR pocket rocket.
I've actually bought a spare zipper bag to use in a rubbish bag, but I can't actually find it at the moment.
I've got one down here if you want. I'll get. I've got a plastic bag if you want.
First aid kit.
Yeah.
Just in case you damage your sack meat. Down jacket.
Have a cup of tea in a second. Nice. I might put mine on in a minute. This is where we're camping for the night. Lovely view. Where's this called? Like looking out over here.
That's Brownsea Island.
Brownsea Island, of course. Baden Powell would not be happy. Do you want your couscous, TV?
Very nice. I was just harking back to the time where Trixie Dixie made me an indie compilation album and said, Thomas, I've made you a compilation album. I hope you enjoy it. I've left it at your parents' house with your brother.
An actual Trix compilation?
Yeah.
Can you remember what was on it?
I've got a feeling it had that song Morning Afterglow by... Well, something I can't remember what the band is, but Morning Afterglow. I'm pretty sure that was on there. There's a big track. I like that.
Nice, man.
Anyway,
how's your couscous with salt and pepper?
Salty. Need some olive oil.
Do you want some olive oil?
You haven't got any, have you?
Yeah, I do.
Oh,
little cool bag. Got a little cool bag, and I've got my bacon in it.
Cool bag.
You're a twat. Got some little freeze blocks in it, and then I've got a Earl Grey IPA, tastes like Earl Grey tea, and a Big Mouth Session IPA. It's from Yeasty Boys. They're like a cuckoo brewery, so they don't have... Not too bad for a place to camp for the night. Just looking out onto Brownsea Island. This is how I've woken up this morning. Just looking out onto a beautiful sunrise. Brownsea Island. Some of the boats already sailing up and down. This is the tent. There's a Ken gone 200. It's been really good last night. I've got just some of my bits in here. I've got my MSR pocket rocket here, fold out stove, and a windshield, and a Barty rum mug. And then I've got really comfy. It was the Neotherm Air Rest airbed that folds down really small. A Van Gogh sleeping bag, which wasn't that comfy. I think I'm a bit too wide for it. I couldn't fit in it properly. It wasn't very good. and I've got everything in waterproof bags. I've got all my toiletries, my clothes, my electrics, my pots and pans, my little cool bag with freezer blocks in, some bacon. I've got a little down jacket bag, just if I got cold in the night.
Cool bag.
What's that?
Your uncool cool bag.
My uncool cool bag. It's still quite cold, to be fair. There's my waterproof bag with all my clothes. I've just put everything in waterproof bags, so it's all okay. But it's a really nice little tent. And that's a lovely view to wake up to. Just cooking a nice cup of tea in the morning with some honey in it. And about to make some bacon. Got some salt and pepper for a bit of flavouring. Beautiful morning. Just about some bacon sizzling, smells really good. Got a bacon sarnie in a second. Although I did completely squash my roll. I think I must have laid on it last night. Little bun pillow. Yummy, yummy bacon. Absolutely beautiful morning. So nice. Absolutely beautiful. Lovely sunrise. Got my bag packed up. Had bacon sarnie, all good to go. Right, all packed up, good to go. Got to leave no trace anywhere at all. Never as totally as it was.
Actually left even less trace, didn't we, by picking up other people's shit.
Exactly right.
Including nappies, don't you?
Fucking nappies, man. Why would you do that? Anyway, right, should we make a move? What time is it, like 7 o'clock?
10 past 7, 20 past 7.
20 past 7.
Fucking
Late, lying. Shit, it's quite muddy here. Yeah, it wasn't like this last night. Right, see you in a bit. Beautiful heathland, all the colours, all the purples. Lush in the morning, isn't it? Can I have a Brownsea? Very nice. My big shiny head. It's like a planet. Right, see you in a bit. Look at this furry boy. He's absolutely huge. What's he called? Jimmy? What are these called? Caterpillars? Just the caterpillar. Whoa! Big furry caterpillar. Big furry caterpillar.
Right, so that over there is Rempstone Forest, which is part of the Rempstone estate. If you cycle around a bit, you can see Long Island, Round Island. That little white building there, right in the distance, you probably can't see it, that is on, I can't remember what it's called down here, but it's a good spot. And then a bit further round, that little clump sticking out there is our king. And then you've got the perfect golf course. That's where we were camped over there. That's sandy spit stuck out.
Just up there.
We're
Not
on
Jerry's Point.
Yeah, you can actually see the cars going on. Jerry's Point is the bit sticking out further. It's the last bit stuck out. We're on the bit stuck out one closer.
Sweet.
And you can see the little sea in there as well.
Sort of like in Lamb Lake, isn't it? What a nice view.
You see the golf course with the flags fluttering.